Here we are at KlezKanada. Can you just tell me how you came to be involved and how this idea was thought up?
The whole revival of Yiddish music was taking place. Hy Goldman had started the klezmer conservatory band. We had in Montreal the jazz festival, and French Canadians were looking for their roots. And Hy was knew how to get to people, and he got to the people at the jazz festival. We brought the klezmer I think they were the first ones we brought, and they performed at the jazz festival with one of the French Canadian bands. And there was a woman by the name of Judy Lecter, who was trying to organize us to start a foundation for Jewish music, which we incorporated with her. There was a woman named Sarah Rosenfeld, whose son was producing Yiddish music in New York. Hy and I had worked on something called St-Urbain, where we tried to get French Canadians to meet with Jewish Montrealers to discuss the whole idea of Quebec's indépendance. So these were indépendantistes that we would meet with. So Hy and I organized this. We called ourselves Mamalosh, and Sarah and I at times, and Hy at other times, worked to do concerts in the park, and we did evenings in Côte Saint-Luc for the community. And by that time, the Klez camp had already started in the States. So we said, well, why don't we do the same thing up here? We'll call it KlezKanada. We won't call it the same thing. We'll call it. And 18 years ago, not knowing how well it was going to turn out, we did it. We had to find a place. We really searched around to all these camps or hotels up north, but all the Jewish hotels were no longer in existence. There was nowhere, and we felt we needed, space. And Hy, as Penny just said, you know what? He walked in here and said, we want it. And he got it. And he's done, he did. And that's how it started.